Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Talk to them.
Hey,
Talk to
family.
me nice. Go ahead.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having
Greedy couple patties.
the greedy couple patties.
You've been axing and now bringing. So explain first lady before I get into my promotion and start promoting my patty them. Talk to them first lady.
So
Yeah.
we have all 5 flavors here. We also have an extra jerk because Richie and I was fighting over the jerk. Yes, we was. And I talk the truth. Okay, because we love the jerk. But we wanted to, not that kind of jerk, but we wanted to have all 5 flavors, but we couldn't decide which one of us was going to get the jerk chicken, so we made 2.
Good. Way to go. All right, family. I ain't gonna start eating nothing yet. Today you call me promoter Richie in the building. Okay? Go ahead.
Let me start that say before Richie start going on his rampage.
Yeah,
family.
right now promoting time, you know.
So
All right.
back here we have some cocoa bread, although we're not gonna yam the cocoa bread because we're not interested in the cocoa bread and the patty that we want.
Patty we want.
Translation, we have cocoa bread back here, but we're not going to eat the cocoa bread because we're not interested in the cocoa bread today. Today we just want the patties.
Patties.
Okay.
But you want to call it patties.
And then we
Right.
have cola champagne, the regular cola champagne, and then the hubby has the pineapple.
And yes, we're not selling these. You can know you could get those in Bravo. We sell these in the truck too, but we're not selling these. But wait, you tell them the flavors.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna tell them. So we have some cheese back here,
Yes.
just in case we feel like adding some cheese. And yes, you can add cheese to your patty. It does
want.
not come with cheese, but you can buy your own cheese and put it there. All right.
Yes.
So just to let you guys know, move this out the way. It's for the presentation. So I have jerk chicken here. I have a vegetable, and then I have what is this? This is a
jerk.
curry.
Oh,
it's a jerk.
That's a jerk.
So,
I got
okay,
a curry.
yes, I had the jerk and a veggie, and Richie had the jerk, the mild, the spicy, and a curry, right? Because, we have all 5 flavors here and the extra jerk. Now, just to let you guys know, when you see this coloring right here,
Yes, put up there.
do you see that?
It looks like a J.
That's the jerk chicken, but this is food coloring, guys.
Yes, it's food coloring. It's food coloring. We got a story about that too, but it's food coloring.
Yes.
So don't think it's nothing else.
So because we have 5 flavors,
Yeah.
we have to be able to tell which one is which because they all look alike without the marking.
Yes.
So if you see this one has a brown
Black,
one,
brown, yeah.
that's for veggie.
Yes, good job, First Lady.
And
Well
then this
explained.
one, it doesn't have anything on it. That's for mild.
For the non-spicy eaters.
And then this one has a red mark on it for the
Pepper eater, spicy.
spicy. And then the curry
Like you.
chicken
That's what the guy said.
also has a green, but it's on the side.
It's on the side.
Okay, I know that. But when you guys do get your patties, yes, when you do get your patties,
my
because they
God.
are available for sale. The link.
Yo, wait. Why you doing my promotion, son? Wait. I'm gonna give you that time to let you tell him where the link is in the description. Let me promote, dog.
I was gonna tell him the link, and I was gonna let you talk.
No. Put cheese in the mic till I'm
No,
gonna talk.
you're not up on.
Family, right now we feel some type of way. I
Yeah,
told
my-
you, family. Let me
my-
start. Promoter Richie in the building, aka Chatty Pasta, aka First Lady Longside. But listen, real talk. It's here now. So you know what? Have no fear because you know what? The greedy couple patties are here. Barley what? Ooh, that look good. You can't be giving them too much now because remember it's for sale now. So if you put it up here, they're gonna grab it. It's for sale. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. We told you it's coming. I said keep watching the videos. It's coming. Well, you know what? We just don't jump and do stuff like that. We gotta make sure everything is right. You know what I'm saying? And this is the right time. So now they're here. I want you to blow it up and share and tell them the greedy cup. Grace ain't got nothing on this. So all them patties you see in Walmart and the dollar store, it ain't nothing like this.
That is true.
This is the closest thing to Jamaica. If you've never been to Jamaica, this is the closest thing you're gonna get to Jamaica, right? No cap. And that's the closest you're gonna get to eating with us. So it's there for you. So y'all know what to do. Blow it up. Okay? Appreciate y'all. So now, let's get into what we came here for. Alright, which one you start eat already?
I start yum jerk.
And look, you see? First they already put the instruction in there. So listen, that's when you know it's ready. Like Freddy. Oh my gosh.
So the link to the website.
There you go now, first lady. There you go. Don't do that when I'm doing my promoting, dog.
Oh, my bad.
Yes.
So the link to the website is in the description box.
Yes.
And also, I'm going to put it in the comment section of every video.
Every video.
So you can't say you can't find it.
That's right, First Lady.
And just a little tidbit to let you guys know something. The link to the website for the Greedy Couple Patties has been there for about 5 days now, guys. So you guys are not as nosy as you thought.
You see, y'all not paying attention. Well, listen now. Here's your curry.
So the patty is supposed to be flaky, but not overly flaky. Where every time you bite it, it's like everywhere. It's supposed to be just a little bit of flake. If it's too flaky, that means it's too overcooked.
But you already gave the direction in the thing here.
And with every single patty, they do come frozen, okay? Because it's better that way. It's better so you can put it in the freezer and it can last months. So you put it in the freezer in some Ziploc bags. And when you put it in the freezer, you can take it out whenever you need, pop it in the oven, in the air fryer for 15-20 minutes, and you got yourself a nice, the Greedy Couple patty.
Yo. Tommy. Hold on. Look at the curry. That's the curry with the cheese.
You put cheese in there?
I told ya it's coming. It's here now. I'm not gonna stop saying that. It's here. What y'all gonna do?
The champ is here. The champ is here.
Yo.
I mean, if they want us to ship them one of this, we can too.
If you want the DNG, you could get it too. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. No, you can't get none. You got your own now.
I'm gonna give them some. Here you go, family.
Put it back, put it back up your hand. Family. Yeah, I got your own now. You know what I'm saying? I know. Y'all gonna holler. As I'm telling y'all before, this ain't nothing like in the Walmart.
Oh yeah.
Nothing.
And again, it comes frozen. And each patty that you receive, like package, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to bake it.
Exactly.
It takes no time, but it's best if it's fresh. And
That's right. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Make a line, don't push. Okay. Give me a jerk. What's my jerk now?
Right here.
I might jerk this. This is a jerk. I'm not gonna put no cheese in there. I want you to see. Jesus, please, my goodness, gosh.
So, also on the website, I make it very clear.
Yes.
We only ship out in quantities of a dozen. The reason why is because when you're sending something frozen, it takes a lot of packaging. You have to make sure that when you receive it, the items are still cold. So we can't just ship out one patty now. So we did it in quantities of a dozen. Now you can order as many dozen, and you can mix and match the dozen.
Yes.
So if you want 5 curry, 4 jerk, 2 mix it. At your world, mix it.
On the promo, bop, bop. Yo, Tom. Family, no cap. This jerk is hot. Okay? So, be careful. If you like that spice, if you like that jerk chicken, it's for y'all too. How much patty them already? 1? I mean, I don't know if I patty them.
Okay. Oh, the spice hit me, mommy.
Are you eating jerk too?
If you have to, you see, this is what happens when you get excited. You have to do the same question over and over again. You know, I don't like that shit.
I know. All right, old timers. Yo. It was a long time coming. I told y'all, fam, we don't rush and do our stuff like that. We take time. We gotta take baby steps. You know what I'm saying? One thing with me and First Lady, we just don't jump to First Lady. I told you I was coming. You know what I'm saying? It's here now.
There's gonna be a problem though.
Why?
The problem is gonna be trying to figure out which flavor is your favorite.
Exactly.
That's gonna be a serious problem.
Because all of them is beautiful. Yo, family, I can't give you another today. You know why I can't give you another? I told you already. Cause you keep asking. I'm not gonna give it to you today because you know what? Let me change my mind and go to.
Yeah, but I was just saying,
Here,
you tripping.
take a piece of the jerk. Here, take a big bite, okay? All right, there we go. I'm gonna give you. So you know I'm just kidding.
So.
You explained everything well good.
Thank you, honey.
You follow the instruction and First Lady put in there, you cannot go wrong.
Nope. And then, if you bake it, and you realize you don't like it as flaky, just don't bake it. Just take like 5 minutes off. But the main thing is, once it comes out the oven, don't just rush to go eat it.
Yeah,
I know it's tempting.
It's tempting. It's very hot.
It's very hot. All right.
Very hot. Just be careful. Yo, Patty the nice, you're free.
Okay. I told you guys we don't want no cocoa bread today.
We don't want no cocoa bread.
We put it there just to put it there. And the knife, please. That's the veggie. Okay, this is the veggie right here. This one is very good.
For the non-meat eaters, this one got everything in there.
Cabbage, bok choy, corn, carrot, peas.
Yes. I know you're saying, so where's the vegetarian one? We have it right here. For the non-meat eaters, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh, I just love it. And you put cheese on this too? Now, you don't have to put cheese on them. It tastes just as delicious. But you know, we extra.
We love the cheese.
Yeah, man. Let me.
Wow. Wow. All right. I'm going for the spicy. At first, I already tell you already with the red dot.
Yep.
Okay.
Guys, I know you see my nail, my little one nail left with the my one nail. Listen, I don't like how they do nails nowadays. It's like it doesn't last. So I'm trying to get this one off. It's not come off.
I'm not talking no more. I already did my promoing.
All I'm saying, guys, is when you get the patty, we want your honest opinion.
Honest. That's it.
There's veggie with the chicken.
That's it.
When we used to when we go on a food truck and we're selling the patties, them, I promise you, it's a line out the door.
And most of them is, some of them is guys.
Yeah, and they can.
Yeah, is it? Yeah.
And they can't just buy one. You're buying 2, 3 of them. With cocoa bread, with cola champagne, adding cheese.
Because they don't know which one to choose.
Yeah. And we bust them on the cheese, you know? A lot of people are like, cheese on a beef patty, man. If you're from New York, you already know already. Cheese on a patty, you already know that. Okay? Boogie down Bronx. Okay?
Last time we patty with the cornstarch?
No.
Oh, we ate it after and it was like, what's going on, guys?
Yeah, but we wanted to make sure that if you guys see us eating it on the channel,
it's coming.
it's coming. It's ready.
It's ready.
It's very good. I'm loving it. Something about this veggie, man.
Remember, me and you said who we think gonna do it first. Then first they made a bet. I ain't gonna tell y'all what we said, but we gonna see.
But I want to give everyone on here who's watching, who supports the Greedy Couple, a big shout out. And we thank you and we appreciate you. And I'm going to tell you why. We have our food truck. Yes, we're running our food truck. But if it wasn't for the Greedy family, you guys, okay, wanting the patty them, the Greedy Couple online selling out patties would not exist. So we appreciate you guys lighting a fire
damn,
under a batty.
No,
For real.
Nobody not like no my batty. Yo, just a bit more with my yo. No, I don't know my batty.
We appreciate everyone encouraging us and pushing us and saying, guys, we want the patty. And we could have been mailed it to you guys, but it wouldn't have been professional.
Yes.
And we don't do things half-ass.
Ooh. I like that one. I like that ass.
So we had to come correct. So we guys hope you guys enjoy the patties, and we thank you Real so much. Hopefully it is a success and it carries us further because you guys are the ones who did it. Thank you.
Respect.
Yo,
Bop.
A beer bop you did today?
Yeah, I'm gonna be a bop here right now.
You must be.
Look, I'm gonna try to name already.
I want a name called Bop Bop.
This is the mild. Yes. Yes, Richie, we know it's the mild because it doesn't have nothing on it. There you go, you're keeping up. Good. And this is for the people them that don't like spice.
So honey, you really sit here and yam for patty?
For me? No. Right? 4 and you only one and a half yet.
Yep, I'm out of my business.
The closest thing eating with us. You know what I'm saying? Got it now. I'm back. I got me some strawberry, black people juice, strawberry lemonade. Yes, even my friends them over here too. That's watching and that thumbs it up. Y'all included too, okay? If y'all want, y'all could get yourself some too. Oh, yeah.
The crust is the best. Let me tell you something. The crust for a Caribbean person is the best part.
True.
If you go to Jamaica, you can buy just the crust.
Yeah.
They will bake just the crust.
Just crust for you.
Okay? And you put a piece of cheese on there. Man. Yes. So, the crust is the best part, guys. But you know what it is? If you have the right patty, the crust is the best part.
Yes. Good one. Way to fix it up.
Yeah. If the patty not taste nice, the crust not taste nice. So I can understand why they not yam the crust because the patty not taste good.
DJ microwave patty.
Yeah. This is freshly made patties. Alright. Want some meat on my food?
Hey, done? I'm getting rid of wisdom. Okay. You eat off 2 patty by yourself?
Yep.
Good. Okay, Fabi.
All by myself.
Word of wisdom right now. What I got for you beautiful people. I know I was giving a big promoting. The first day it was promoting too, but now Pastor Richie in the building, okay? Fun and jokes over now. Here, listen to this one now. Family, listen now.
Oh God.
All right. Family, getting the opportunity is not a big deal. It is a big deal to convert the opportunity into goals.
You found that one just for this video? That's a very good one.
That's why I said listen up. You see, you chat too much sometimes, my they don't want to listen, my youth.
Yo, one day this one.
I don't know if you're joking. I mean, that if you see, that's why I said listen.
Pow! Right in the kisser.
Family.
Pow!
That's why I told her listen up, you know. She always want to say something, but I get along. Go ahead and read the damn thing. But see, this one.
First of all, I don't talk like that.
This one came with a video. Excuse me. We appreciate y'all. It's here. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Have no fear because the greedy couple patties is here. First lady, they are.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us and buy our products.
Real talk, and we appreciate y'all. Real talk. Go ahead, first lady.
We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye!